Today I want to introduce to you the newest blockchain game that will come this coming May 14, which is My DeFi Pet. If you've heard about Axie Infinity, then probably you will know how to probably play this game. And as you can see here, it is a virtual pet game that combines DeFi, collectibles, in your own personality. And my DeFi Pet is operated on BSC and Kardia chain. So if you're going to look at their white paper here, it is a lifestyle based pet game on blockchain, and the gameplay has been introduced here. It says my DeFi Pet revolves around a core loop of collect, breed, evolve, battle, and trading, socializing. So there's really a big, like, you will do a lot of things inside my DeFi Pet. There's also collect, so you can obtain a random egg by tributing 100 DPET tokens. So as you can see here, DPET tokens is 100. The current price of DPET is around $1. So when this one launches, every pet that you will get will be around $100. So that is the reason why you should buy my DeFi Pet tokens right now, because it is extremely cheap. And of course, every DPETs that you can get 3 DPET for one egg. So um, there's also a breeding part here. So as you can see here, there's a combine. Any two monsters will create a new monster that inherits its ancestor's gene. So it is more like a two characters where you'll create a new monster, and then probably you can sell it in the later time. So that is good. You can evolve as well the DeFi pets here. As you can see, it's really cute. So each monster has a certain evolution levels and capabilities depending on its rarity. Players can level up their monster by feeding them DPET tokens. So uh, probably in this part, since DPET is an in-game currency which has a corresponding value into the real market, DPET tokens can also be used to power up your pets. So there will also be a season reward. This is actually cool because the first season will start with 100,000 USDT prize. So if you're really good in playing this kind of games, then probably you can participate and win this cash, because this USD price is not uh, it's not a joke. 100k is 100k. So as you can see here, of course the battle has the same um, functionalities, other than the, like, I mean, it has the same functionalities like the other card games as well, which is like branded into a pet game, which you will have a turn to make your attack. You can make a skill and stuff. So um, that's actually cool because um, this looks like a good sign, because you can probably play it inside your phone because it is on the mobile interface here. And there will be also a trading function where you can probably sell your monsters to other my DeFi Pet token players as well. So they've explained some like a technical stuff over here, and then of course DPET tokens, which is what I'm trying to say here. Okay, DPET helps players significantly enhance their progress and experience in game. Meanwhile, active players always have a chance to earn DPET. So DPET holders have certain influences the game as a game moves forwards via governance system, as well as the ability to passive get stronger performing ads and items. So players have to play to earn, and then there's also an in-game currency. They will buy an egg, you will get an item, you will level up the monster. You will get a random reward, whether it is an egg, items, DPET tokens, or a fee every time you play. And then for the DPET holders, there's a governance system. You can lock to vote and to even stake your DPETs. So it is a combination of top tier uh, traditional game developers, and as you can see here, they've really plotted really good on this one. So that's the white paper. It's pretty professional, and now I'm going to teach you how you can um, you can buy My DeFi Pet here. So you're just gonna go in here, copy their official contract address. Okay, so copy and then go here into Pancakeswap Finance, into the exchange part right here, and then when you select the token, you will just paste the token. And as you can see here, I do have a DPET already because I already bought a few minutes ago about on this project. So as you can see here, that's how easy it is. You just go into to dictate how much BNBs do you want to buy, and then it will be converted into a DPET, and then you can probably swap it out. So the official site for playing My DeFi, so you can open your pets is go here, play.mydpet.com. So when you're here, then probably you can see a dashboard right here, which it says this feature is in development, and of course you can probably buy DPET on it's either Binance chain or Kardia chain. So that's actually good. And as you can see here, I've already bought one peg already, and its name is Fang. It's actually fancy. It has a wings in the backside, and then probably I'm going to open as well. What do you call that? I'm going to open a few more pets here, and sadly, of course, every opening, every time you buy an egg here, you need to pay for around 1 USD for the transaction cost. So if let's say you're going to open 5 pets, then probably you're going to do this gas fee all over and over again. So that's pretty much the sad part, because I wish my DPET rather uh, do some solutions on this one, so that when they buy a DPET, they won't get robbed on the transaction fees. So you're just going to click the confirm button right here, and it says your transaction is in progress. So what you just need to do next is to, of course, you will actually want to buy more eggs. So I'm going to spend every single pet that I have, because in the launching, every DPET costs around 100. Every pets that you have cost around 100 DPET. So that's really expensive if you will ask me. So okay, I do have a new pet right here, but I'm just going to open first. I'm just going to buy first. So I'm gonna buy this egg. Of course, I'm gonna pay another dollar for this one, and then I'm gonna open another one, which I'm also gonna pay another one. So let's see. Let's wait for the transactions. Okay. I'm not sure how much DPETs do we have here. Uh, so let's just try to refresh this a little bit. So we need to buy another one. We need to buy another one. So just need to buy an egg. Confirm it, of course, and then yep, I just got robbed here. The next thing you need to do is okay. You just need to break the egg. Just break the egg, and then you will get a random monster right here. So I got what is this? More like a another version of the one that I've got. This looks like a Sonic the Hedgehog though. Yeah, it looks like a Sonic the Hedgehog. So what you just need to do right here, of course, inventory. I'm not sure what I'm trying to doing. So let's try to refresh this one. Library maybe, or maybe inventory. Oh my god. Yeah. So I'm going to open it here on my BSC chain, and as you can see here, I do have different inventories right here. I just need to open few more items. So that's actually cool. Um, let's see. Oh my god, where did my two uh oh, this is a really big reload inventory. Holy shit. I do have 5 pets here. So as you can see here, I do have a lot of pets. I do have a Donis, Fang, another Fang. Yeah, I think this is another Fang. So 2 Fangs. I have a Tigra, and also I do have another Tigra as well with a different color. So as of today, um, let me just check for a little bit. Adonis has the highest attack. Okay, so this pet one is just dealing 34. This one is dealing 32. This one is also dealing 38. And this one is dealing 30. So if you're having this kind of attack, then probably you might win a lot. So just explain to you real quick the stats, of course, your HP, your attack, how much you do damages, the defense, which is more like the armor, the critical we're in, you'll just go into to snap that person off. So critical speed. Speed is not that big, not that bad. Actually, it's the fastest speed I think here. So um, now you've bought your My Defi Pet. What you just need to do right here is to wait for the official launch. Okay, as an investor and also a game player, it's actually best if you would just wait for this one. And it's only 4 days left. It's not 6 days. So it will be launched on May 14. As I said on Whitepaper, every DeFi pet costs around 100 DPET tokens. So that's how crazy it is. So if you didn't really go here, probably it's gonna be harder for you. So just taking note that this isn't a financial advice, and for me, I just really like the projects right here, because of course I'm going to explain to you real quick. Um, the team behind this project is from Gameloft. If you know Gameloft, okay, they are the top-notch game development company which specializes in mobile games. So there's a lot of games that develop Gameloft develop. So as you can see here, there's really a lot of it. So there's an Asphalt, there's a Dragon Mania, Spider-Man, even Iron Man, an Amazing Spider-Man, and so on and so on and so on. It don't really just stop. So they also do have a good officers right here. They do have a co-founder at GamePack, which is a game payment gateway. There's the CEO of Kardia Chain is also part of the team. and of course other ventures, other CVs are also here. So for the investors part, you will have this one. You see Kardia Ventures are investing in Spark Digital Capital, DFG, Axia8, Megala, Clovers and stuff. So there's this all of almost all of this one is VCs or venture capitalists. So uh, I think that is it for this video, guys. I hope you buy BSG My Defi pets, and then I hope we can actually play this coming 14. So see you in the next video.